Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new project and PDF tutorial to share with you. This is our December daily or yearbook and stand, and it measures 11 inches tall, 8¼ wide by 3¼ deep, and the stand is 3¾ tall, 4 inches deep and 9 inches wide. And you can see the album, when it's decorated, has loads of room for you to add in all of your pictures, journaling, ephemera and memories. So I've decorated mine in Christmas time papers by Graphic 45. That was their 2020 Christmas release. But the PDF is written so that you can use any papers to decorate the album. So not necessarily Christmas. You might choose to do it for a baby's yearbook or a time in the garden yearbook. So many options. I can't say that. There's so many options with this album. So let's have a look. The stand is just an oblong stand. It's got some Tim Holtz feet on. And I've put 2021 on here. That is die cut from the Wordplay Extra Bigs die by Tim Holtz. And I've used the same die for the numbers on the front of the album as well. And then here's the album. So really nice, sturdy album, tied with a ribbon, just in case it gets overfilled. It's easy to close with a ribbon. Rather than a metal closure of a fixed width. And then inside there are 24 pages, some full-sized, some half-sized, for you to add whatever you fancy. So really nice large areas. There are 3 different page styles, all of which can be swapped about. So you could choose one page style throughout the whole album, or mix and match them in a different order to the way I've put mine together. So we've got a smaller page on a mount, and that one on the back has a really nice tuck spot. On the inside of the cover there's a nice deep pocket to add extra photo mats, pictures, ephemera into. We've got a large page, a really easy page to just stick things on. I've used washi tape here, which is a great way to collage your pictures in place. But you could paperclip them in place and create a whole montage. And then we've got that nice tuck spot on the back of the small page to put things into. And then there is a split page, double-sided, with a pull-out photo mat. So in the way that I've put the album together, there are 24 surfaces, including the split pages, that could be for your December daily, a page a day leading up to the big day, the 25th of December, or you can reduce the number of pages by adding in more of the larger options and replacing the smaller split pages. So I haven't added loads and loads of embellishments. This is just the framework for you to create your own album with embellishments and papers of your choice and create your own memory. But it's a lovely large book to do that in. And then we've got the split pages at the back. And then right at the very back is a really nice fold out, again for you to put large pictures or a collection of pictures for an event. So that is the December daily or yearbook 2021, or could be for 2022 if you made it now ready for the year. Then you can add to it and create a lovely memory for next year. To go with the album, there is some add-ons to decorate the pages. and they're all covered in the PDF tutorial. So these obviously are optional. We've got a large tag, and they just hook onto the paper before you stick the paper down onto the page. So this is an envelope for a tag, a great way to add journaling to your album, and then just plain on the back, and it gets hooked over the paper. We have got a lovely pocket and belly band. Again, you can add in whatever you fancy, and then when it lifts up, you've got space to add more under that band. A lovely envelope to put your photos in, and again that can be added over the side of the narrower pages or the top of the larger ones, or just stuck onto a page to create a pocket and extra space for photos. A lovely acetate pocket that you can pop bits and pieces into, and that's got a magnetic closure, and it's decorated on the back, and again that can be paper clipped onto a page, or it could be hooked on with a hinge like that, or like that, or again hooked over the top or the side. And then the last one is a pop-up photo add-on. So we've got room for a photo on the front, and then it pops up and you've got room for photos on the pop-up section, the back and the base. And then on the reverse there's also a place for a tuck spot, and again that one can be hooked over the top of a page. And then undecorated, you could go for a slightly different look by adding two photos, one above the other, and then a larger photo off the bottom. Whoops, I haven't stuck them in properly. So, but again, another lovely add-on to add dimension to the project. So all of that is covered in the PDF tutorial. There is an introduction video, how to cut your chipboard. It's all made out of 2mm chipboard, the stand and the album covers. How to cut your papers. The guide is generic, so it can be applied to any paper pad or paper collection that you like. And then there are two 2-hour-long videos that take you through how to assemble the stand, the album cover, how to decorate the pages, the options on decorating your pages, making up the inside of the album, and then how to make up all of the add-ons. So a really full PDF tutorial to make yourself this fabulous project. So I hope you like the project. If you'd like to make it, you'll find the link to the PDF tutorial on our website in the description below the video. Do give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel or click on that bell, and then you'll receive notifications when new products and projects come out. Thanks for watching.